It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another video at Aqua. Today I will be unboxing a 60cm backlight screen. Special thanks to Fred at MakeMyLED for the unit. For those unfamiliar, MakeMyLED produces world-class premium LED lighting for freshwater and marine aquariums. They are designed and manufactured in Australia. MakeMyLED is a more affordable alternative to the original ADA light screen. As seen in most professional aquascapes, emulating the backlight is not easily achieved at home. With the ADA light screen and now the MakeMyLED's alternative solutions, you are now able to make the scape just look like the ones made by the professional circuit creators seen at the ADA galleries in Niigata, Japan. This is the LED driver and dimmer that controls the LED light screen. Here's the adjustable potentiometer to manually adjust the brightness to match your aquascape. There are various brightness settings, so you'll need to play around to see what suits you best. The input voltage to the light screen is 12 volts DC at 2 amps. It's pretty low powered, so it doesn't consume so much electricity even if it's set to peak brightness. Here's what the light screen looks like unpacked. The blue-white gradient looks very similar to the gradient film from the ADA light screen. Putting the light screen together is a 3-step process. The first step is to install the 2 hooks into position, mounting the light screen to the aquarium and then switching on the power. First things first, I will start by installing the hooks onto the light panel. Make sure that you use the correct screwdriver size, as stripping the light screw head is never a fun experience. Okay, the hooks are finally installed after a brief stabbing incident with the slip of the screwdriver. The next step is to hang the light screen to the aquarium. I highly recommend that you use white vinegar to clean the back of the aquarium glass and let it dry before installing the light screen. Make sure that no water is on the light screen or the glass itself, as it may damage the light screen in the long term. The MakeMyLED designers has put an extra attention to detail on the dimensions of the ADA Cube Garden 60p. It's an exact fit to the 60p and it should put those with OCD at ease. As you can see, the length and width of the light screen does not protrude at all, and at roughly 1 cm thickness you can barely notice that it's there at all. Testing the light screen without the aquarium LED on. The setting here is max brightness. Here's the light screen set to roughly 70% brightness. Here's the light screen stepped down to 50% brightness. And finally, the light screen dialed down to 20% brightness. And there you have it, a simple and easy tutorial that literally takes 3 steps to assemble and complete. As an alternative to the official ADA light screen, which may be difficult for those not in Japan to source, I highly recommend MakeMyLED to those in the market for the quality Australian-made light screen. So make sure you check them out there. You can help me out by hitting like, share and subscribe to the Aqua channel. I'll end the video here. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.